makes you stronger to you are working for 12 hours, you're working on Saturdays and Sundays. People, my friends stopped asking me for trips and everything because आज तक मैं एक trip पे नहीं गई अपनी friends के साथ. So my name is Ananya and I am a computer science engineer. I completed my graduation in 2019. Coming onto my profile, I scored 9.6 CGPA in 10th and 77.4 in 12th and 80.46 in my graduation. After that, I have 3 years of work experience, like approx 3 years of work experience.
2.5 से ऊपर 3 से नीचे.
Yes, sir. So yeah.
Got it.
So this is all about me. I started preparing for CAT in 2020. That was my very first attempt. My perspective of why MBA, why I wanted to go for MBA was I wanted to know more about business. And sometime down the line, I also want to become an entrepreneur. I don't have an idea yet, but I look forward to that. I want to understand business. I want to understand finance, marketing, HR, all the domains. Apart from that, coming on to my preparation journey, I started in 2020. In June 2020, there I did not have much perspective of how to give CAT and how to study. And after 1.5 years of work experience, picking up a pen again was a challenge. I had forgotten all my math formulas and square roots and cube roots and everything.
That happens to every person who's getting into a job and has got a work. Happens to everyone.
That was what my story is. And apart from that, in 2020, one biggest challenge that I faced was regarding my mental health. I was not well. I was not able to sleep for 2 months before CAT.
Okay.
And then managing office and everything parallelly took a toll on me. And I could not perform well in CAT 2020. Did not have a chance to even convert decent colleges. And then I took a break. I started again in March or April 2021. And I started giving mocks. And I thought, let me just give mocks and I will be able to make it maybe. Because I've already done the course in 2020. So I started giving mocks, but I was not able to see the results. Because of that, I started exploring YouTube. And fortunately, I came across C2C Mentors, a video by Ketan sir, where he was talking about Holy Trinity, EQ, and how CAT is a very beautiful examination. And somehow I could find that connect with what sir was speaking. And then I watched a few more videos, and then I decided, okay, let me join C2C. Then in the month of August, I joined the classes, and yes, I scored 92 percentile in CAT and converted a few colleges.
And not few, the list goes बहुत लंबा चौड़ा लिस्ट है. 9 IIMs हो गया. I think out of 9, 8 IIMs convert हो गए. MBA गुड़गांव convert हो गया. NMI IMS के मेरे ख्याल से main campus छोड़ के बाकी converts है. Do you have any other converts from Snap or any other exams at IIFT?
No, sir, not from those exams.
Okay.
Yeah, because I did not prepare for them. I was not targeting them. So I was just targeting 2 exams, CAT and NMAT.
Okay.
They were the most doable for me.
Okay. So those who are listening to Ananya, right? She is a great motivation and inspiration for everybody out there. Because if I'm not wrong, I think, जब हमारा बात हुआ था, like when we were talking before the recording, she was like, sir, मुझे पता ही नहीं था 92% पे मुझे क्या मिलेगा. And I think one of the sessions जहाँ पे हुआ था, मैंने कहा था कि यार आप GDPI के लिए बैठ लो, let's see क्या होता है. And finally, she's got into MDI Gurgaon, which is definitely one of the top 10.
And sir said that you will get confidence after you convert colleges, and that actually happens. And you never know that you get into a good B school. So you should go for it.
True.
Follow, sir. That's what I will say.
Thanks. So वही चीज है यार, आप जब 98, 99 का सपना देखते हो, 95, 96 का सपना देखते हो, even if you don't get that, I mean, whatever you have, like maybe 90, 91, 92, 93, whatever numbers that you have, I think those numbers can take you to the places. And Ananya is a great example for that. So it's not necessary कि आपको 99 ही करना है. You just have to be in the game. जितना आप बन सकते हो, वहाँ पे बने रहो, and eventually you will get something good. So I think that's the first very thing that I want everybody to keep in mind. Don't judge yourself. तुम्हारा mock score बेकार है, तुम्हारी पढ़ाई हो नहीं रही, judge मत करना खुद को. 95, 96, 98, 99 पे थप्पा नहीं लगा है, उसके नीचे भी बच्चे convert कर लेते हैं. She's getting into MDI Gurgaon, which is like top 10, and उसकी highest salary इस साल 1 CR touch करी है. And she's a smart girl. She will definitely be doing really good as far as MDI Gurgaon is concerned. I can vouch for that, by the way. Now, coming back to another question, Ananya. A lot of students, like you got 76 percentile in CAT 2020.
Yes.
Okay. अब 76 से jump करके 90, 95 के ऊपर चलना is a task, right?
Yes.
So how did you manage तुम्हारा preparation? तुमने कैसे अपना पढ़ाई, because you were working also, right? सबसे important चीज तुमने time management कैसे करा? And what was your study strategy for quant, DILR and verbal?
What I used to do was that I used to divide my day into slots, and it is Ketan sir's strategy only. He said you study for 6 hours from August, and you divide your day into slots, 2-hour slot. So my office timings used to be like 7 to 4 in the morning. So what I used to do is I used to wake up around 6:30, and then because when you start office, people are not that active, and you can have your focus hours. So from 7:30 to 8:30, I used to study for 1 hour there. That was blocked, and then I used to work as much as I could till 10:30 a.m. in the morning. I just used to finish most of my office work, and after that, I used to take a break, and after that again that 1 hour slot from 11:30 to 12:30. So 2 hour slot I used to cover in mid of office. After that, my shift used to get over at 4, and I used to get back to study at 4:30, and then I used to study continuously till 9:30, like keeping the dinner breaks and everything. Apart from that, we used to have classes at 9:30 from C2C mentors. So I used to attend them every day. I made sure that I attended most of the classes live, because then it gives you an added advantage that you can at least speak to the teacher. You can get your problem solved then and there. And you never know. Sometimes we skip other people's doubt, but what happens is that they may give you clarity. So I used to attend all the classes. I did not skip even a single class.
Perfect.
And I used to study for like 4 to 5 hours when I'm really tired up, and 6 hours when I am free.
Okay. What was your weakest area? Like out of these 3 sections, weak area kaun sa tha aapka?
So my weakest area was LRDI. And it turned out to be the same in the exam as well. I don't know, somehow I developed a phobia towards DILR in CAT 2020, and I could not get over it in 21 as such. But again, we had Shanky sir in C2C, and we literally solved 200, 300 plus sets. So because I had a phobia, I think I did not judiciously solve them. But for people who judiciously solved those sets, I feel that they would have scored 99 plus in DILR as well.
Definitely.
So,
and if I'm not wrong, there are certain sets were close to our handouts also, right? मतलब देखिए confidence आ रहा था.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic.
And in fact, I attempted 1.5 set in DILR, and that set was the same, similar set that we did in class.
Okay.
So when I saw that, I was able to recognize, okay, this is the set, I'll attempt this.
So उसकी वजह से तुमको थोड़ा EQ तुम्हें help करा होगा कि चल ठीक है, I'm not that bad in DLR.
So EQ helped me a lot, and
you want to brief about EQ? EQ का फंडा क्या है, बच्चों को थोड़ा बता दोगे आप?
So this is Ketan sir's philosophy. So EQ is emotional quotient. You should actually believe in yourself, and you should believe in the exam, believe in the mentor you're following. Not necessarily you follow Ketan sir. You can follow any mentor with whom you can connect. So just follow them blindly. Whatever strategies they tell you, make time for that. And I think biggest thing that helped me was that I used to revise the concept. Class में कोई concept हुआ, and then you revise. Class में कोई concept हुआ, then you revise. I could not channelize my DLR preparation that way, but for the other 2 sections I did that way. Sir once said कि you take out all your old mocks and you classify your reading sets. So I did the same, and the next mock, the score literally shooted up for me.
Wow. वाह, सो रिवीजन इज द एरिया जो मुझे लगता है ना बहुत सारे बच्चे नहीं करते, मे बी टाइम नहीं मिलता है या फिर बहुत ज्यादा प्रेशर होता है, बट आई थिंक रिवीजन इज डेफिनेटली दैट एनीबडी हैज टू डू, बिकॉज रिवीजन में ही आपका बहुत ज्यादा पढ़ाई होता है एज सच. हाउ मेनी मॉक्स यू गिव, अनन्या?
Sir, I give 20 to 22 marks, apart from sectionals.
Full length ना? Oh, okay, okay. 22 marks, बहुत बढ़िया. I think that's a good number. Like I said,
So I wanted to manage more, but I had time constraints because of my work.
If I'm not wrong, अनन्या का एक section है जहाँ पे she is 97, which is Quants. एक section है जहाँ पे she is 83, and एक section है जहाँ पे she is 73. Right? Still, she managed 92 overall. Again, this is the learning for you guys that, I mean, बहुत बच्चे डर जाते हैं कि यार मेरा एक section बेकार है, दो section बेकार है, ये वो. Guys, you need to understand 97, 73 and 83 get her 92 percentile. मेरे ख्याल से that's a very good number. तो ये होता है. कुछ कुछ चीजें होती है जो आपका फोबिया बन के रहेगा, लोड मत लेना, उसमें एटलीस्ट उतना स्कोर आप कर लेना जहाँ पे आपको ये पता चले कि यार इसमें एक बेयर मिनिमम लेवल पे मैं चलूंगी, और एक आपको है जो आपको बहुत सही लेवल पे लेके चलना है, मे बी 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, whatever. I think that will help you a lot. Now, final question. Did C2C help you overall? तुम्हारा जो journey था, like how your experience has been with C2C mentors?
Actually, I am indebted to C2C. It has taught me a lot of things. The first class with Ketan sir, and Ketan sir told ki whatever profile you have, whatever marks you're carrying, you cannot change them.
True.
You don't need to just think about कि यार मेरा तो score इतना कम है, क्या करूँ मैं, कैसे करूँ. You don't have to think about it. Just think about what you have in the moment. You have that exam, and I think उस exam पर focus करना उस exam की respect करने के बराबर होता है. And Ketan sir used to tell that CAT is a beautiful exam and it will take you to places, and it will improve you as a person. And I don't know what future holds for me, but what I can tell is that I have become a stronger person. I was literally scared of these entrance examinations, timers. मैंने कभी इतने properly entrance exams दिए नहीं थे अपनी life में पहले. So I was like, यार मुझसे entrance exams नहीं होंगे. And the main thing which was stopping me from pursuing MBA was CAT. And I think I got over that fear. And looking back, I feel that, okay, it's not that difficult. It is doable. It is actually doable. You just need to believe in yourself, or you don't have to lose confidence. You will see people going here and there, exploring places, updating LinkedIn. LinkedIn becomes a hassle. But you just believe in yourself, because believe in what sir is saying, and if you follow what sir is saying, I think you'll score 99 plus.
Thank you so much. Matlab, I mean, even I feel that the strategies that I tell, they are very much realistic. If you don't even have to believe in me, like just believe my strategies and you're like sorted with it, like completely.